we're a Lexis subscriber. We've been using LexisNexis and its suite of products for many years now, and we were an early adapter of the Lexis plus AI, plus Protégé, plus Create suite. And as a rural practitioner from Toowoomba, Queensland, I'm very fortunate to be in a marketplace that sees the challenges that rural and remote parts of our state has in terms of staffing, competing with the bigger firms, and also the challenges to retain lawyers. It's common that they will come to us if they can get a job with us to then use it as a platform to get to Brisbane, Sydney, Melbourne. That's just the pathway that they take, and you can't criticise that. So what we've found is that by leveraging technology and being smart about how we deploy it in the business, it does help us retain staff, because certainly at this stage we've been an early adapter, and that's exciting, it's sexy, but also it enables us to get some of the non-legal practitioners better at their craft, doing more than what they perhaps traditionally would have thought they were able to do. And that's been really interesting as well. What I did notice initially when the release occurred, it's very intuitive, it's very simplified, and I like the way it's broken down in terms of its, if you've got a bit of a drafting question, go here. If you've got some research, go here. So it's very simple for a legal practitioner or a non-legal practitioner to navigate and use. That made rolling it out pretty easy, because what happened was it wasn't too complex to start. Everyone in the firm has access to it, regardless of their qualifications or skills, and it's easy to experiment and play with. You talk about use cases at team meetings, in huddles, it'll come up in conversation, and you start to notice that even the senior practitioners who may be a little bit technology resistant, even they started experimenting and playing, and it becomes a bit of a conversation as they're delegating work to a legal student or a law clerk. As they're delegating work to a paralegal, you start to overhear them talking about, have you thrown that into Lexis yet? Have you played with it? Have you put a prompt in and seen what response you get? And that's been really exciting for me to see, as someone who wanted to invest in the technology. It's been great to see it actually bubble away and build within the business, to the point where some of our monthly usage reports, we're now 2,500 prompt use cases in a month, which isn't bad for a little old firm from Toowoomba in Western Queensland.